Start the vacuum.
Start to vacuum and mop all areas.
Oh, hello. Hey, what's up? This is Wrench, and today we're gonna look at the new Xiaomi robot vacuum E10. So, let's check it out. Okay, before anything else, I got this robot vacuum for like 3 days ago. So, ngayon lang natin siya mabubuksan, and of course, kailangan sabay-sabay natin tingnan kung ano talaga tong robot vacuum, kasi ang hirap maglinis lalo na pag dusty yung paligid mo. So I decided na kumuha ng robot vacuum, and this one is really good for its price based on the reviews dun sa ginawa ko. So open na natin. Since this one is sealed, let's try to open this up. By the way, guys, I've had several Xiaomi devices before. I had the weighing scale, it's perfect. The watch, but I never had a phone before, so let's put this right here. Okay, so excited na ako na maano to in action. I'm planning to put this in the living room, kasi every morning walis, mop, like that. So nga pala, this also works with Alexa and Google Home. So since my house is run by Google Home, and I'm just gonna say, hey Google, like that, all around the house. Pwede to. I can ask Google to, hey Google, clean the house. And ang hirap yun.
Sorry, it looks like that device hasn't been set up yet. You can do that in assistant settings.
See? Okay, so here it is inside the box. This one. And okay. The charger. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it has this white charger. Maybe this will also work dun sa Dirma ko na vacuum cleaner. Okay. The charger, the manual, the charging hub. Let's see. And later, I'm gonna see this in action. This is the charging hub. Ganda. It looks very premium sa niya. Okay. So, syempre, I'm gonna show you the device itself. And it's pretty heavy. Okay, before the vacuum itself, ito yung mop niya. Ayan. The mop pad. And walis tambo. Okay, so let's put this away. And that's... Laki yung vacuum pala na ito. And then, mabigat siya. I thought lang siya, yung parang magaan na parang flimsy plastic. Pero, Xiaomi really did up their game. Okay. Wow! Damn! Aesthetic. Bagay ito sa color scheme ng house ko. So, ito yung tsura niya. Ganda.
So hello, what's up guys? Ayun, so na-set up ko na yung robot vacuum. Nilagay ko na doon sa, sa dock niya. As you can see here. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya babalik, pero hindi ko pa siya ino-on. So, sabihin natin yon. Since yung bahay ginagawa pa, hindi pa tapos. So, this is the best time kasi dusty dahil may mga nag-work dito everyday. So, malaking tulong siguro. So, let's go. This is the robot vacuum. I don't know what will happen kasi sinet ko lang siya dito. Ayan, tapos let's turn this on. Long press ba? Okay, so bumukas na siya.
Turning on.
Okay. It's turning on. Okay. Hindi talaga ako nagwalis. This is early in the morning. Medyo dusty dahil nag-movie night last night. Yan. So may mga, yung mga hindi pa na-install na ilaw. Ayan, so mga dumi-dumi pa. So ayun, nandun yung Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Let's try to press this.
About to return to the dock to charge.
About to return. Go. Oh, what? What the? What? What? Are you doing, cabron? Coffee, are you scared? That's your new enemy. What is it doing? So, okay. Nagmamap na siya. Actually, akala ko, it's going to return. Ayan o, nagmamap siya. Okay, so I don't need to mop the floor. It's doing its job. Kasi ikaw, manonood ka na lang. You just watch it. Right? Oh. Let's sit in the couch. Okay. Galing. Ayan. It's sweeping the floor and at the same time, nagmamap din siya. That's so cool, man. I forgot. I need to connect this sa mismong Mi app so that I can connect this kay Google Home. So, okay.
Starting to charge.
Okay, it's gonna charge. So, yung part lang na yun yung nilinis niya. And so, yun, connect natin siya kay Google. So yan dirty talaga yung floor. Ayan. So gumagana na siya. Oh, ang galing. Okay. So yan. Wala yung debris. Okay. So, na-add ko na siya sa kay Google Home. So, pwede mo lang i-command ng So, let's try. Hey Google, charge the vacuum.
About to return to the dock to
Shun
charge.
robot vacuum meets and new chapter.
Look at that. Saan ako punta? Let's try this. Medyo nababayo na si Coffee. Ayan. Hey, Coffee. Coffee, look at the camera. Good boy. It's looking for the charging dock. So, let's see. So, it's really working. So, gusto kong maging Google Home. Not Alexa Home. Let me know if you're using Google or Alexa. Okay.
Starting to charge.
Starting to charge. So let's command naman. Hey Google, start the vacuum.
Start to vacuum and mop all areas.
Holy shit! So yun, it's working. Yeah, the vacuum is working and it's already working with Google Home. And later I'm gonna show you when the device is done cleaning the living room. Okay, so yeah, the vacuum is still cleaning and nakita ko kung paano siya maglinis, and the vacuum itself, it is really effective. So malayo pa lang yung mga debris, hindi niya dinadaanan na, parang nasa sides, nahihigop niya. So the vacuum is strong, and the mop sa mga ano lang siya, sa light stains lang. But for the heavy stains like last night, yung anak ko kasi nagluto ng pancit canton, and yung floor may sauce na tumigas na from last night. Ang dinaanan niya, hindi niya completely yun na white. So you will still have to do manual mopping. But it's really not that hard. Pero pag yung mga water spills like that, mga light lang na hindi talaga dun sa floor, it's gonna be cleaning it ng kanyang mop. So, yun lang, and I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to get one. And I think this is really effective. So, hanggang sa muli sa ating unboxing and reviews. So, see you again next time. Peace!